Hello student, welcome back in 12 Computer Science, Paper 2. So let us proceed Chapter 2 Instruction Set and Programming of 8085 Microprocessor, Session 4. Now continue Data Transfer Group Instructions. But before that, in previous lecture, we have seen 5 transfer instructions. So just revise it. First instruction is move RD arrays. RD arrays means source register and destination register. How to execute this instruction? Means content of source register transferred to destination register. Second instruction, move M arrays. M means memory. Memory means which register indicates memory. HL register indicates memory. So how to execute this instruction? Source register content transferred to memory location whose address specified in HL register pair. Next instruction is move RD M. M here again M means memory. Memory means HL register pair. RD means destination register. Register means any 6 general purpose register in 8085 microprocessor A, B, C, D, E and HL. Any one of them. So how to execute this instruction? Means memory whose address specified in HL register pair transfer the content of in memory location whose address specified in HL register pair transferred to destination register. Next instruction is MVI RD 8-bit data. Now MVI, I means immediate, MV means move, means 8-bit data immediately transferred to destination register. Understood student? 8-bit data immediately transferred to registers, that is a destination register which is specified in instruction. Next instruction is MVIM 8-bit data. Here also move immediate, but instead of destination register here M is used. M means which register pair? HL. See here, you can write here HL, you can write also M, both are correct. So MVIM 8-bit data means 8-bit data are transferred to HL register pair. Okay. 8-bit data are transferred to memory location whose address specified in HL register pair. These 5 instructions we have seen in previous lecture. See one example depends upon this 5 instructions. See, first instruction is MVIB05H. Second instruction is move AB. Third instruction is move CB. And fourth instruction is MVIC08H. Now, one by one each instruction is executed. Now see, first instruction is MVIB05H. Now see, after executing this instruction, MVIB05H means MVI means move immediate. 05 is 8-bit data. See which instruction? Like this. Fourth instruction MVIRD 8-bit data. Here which register is used? B register is used. So 05 data stored in B register. 05 data stored in B register. Now next instruction is move AB. Now how to execute this instruction? Move AB means B data content of B register transferred to A register. Means now in B which data is stored? See here. In B which data is stored? 05. Now after first instruction move AB, this instruction will be executed. So move AB means in B register 05 is stored. Now move AB after this executing this instruction in A register stored 05 content. Okay. Now next instruction move CB means now in B register stored which content 05. Now in move CB means B register transferred to C register means the 05 stored in C register means C equal to 05H. Now after this move CB which instruction here? MVIC08H. See here MVI means move immediate. Now in this instruction after executing this instruction C contents becomes 08H. Understood? First execute this MVIB, then execute move AB, then CB and then 08H. Okay. In MVIB 05H means B stored 05H data. After this instruction move AB in B register content 05, then this B register stored in transferred contents to A register. After this instruction move CB. Move CB means in B content 05, then B content transferred to C. Now C becomes 05H, and last one is MVI08H means in this instruction after executing this instruction C becomes now 08H. Understood how to execute this instruction? Now let us proceed. Or let us start next instruction in data transfer group. So next instruction is LDA address. You know address means 4 digits are there. LDA means LD means load, A means accumulator. Okay. LDA address shortcut meaning is load accumulator direct. Now what is the syntax or format? Means address, whatever data stored in address, that data transferred to accumulator. Whatever data stored in this address, that data transferred to accumulator. Now next is addressing is direct addressing. Addressing is direct addressing because direct addressing means in which instruction address is specified directly, that instruction is direct addressing. Next is byte is 3 byte. 3 byte means address, if address is there in any instruction, that instruction is 3 byte instruction. Address means higher order, 1 byte for higher order, 1 byte for low order and 1 byte for upcode, means LDA for 1 byte and address for 2 bytes. So total is 3 byte. Flag is no flags are affected. Okay, no flags are affected means here no any calculation, directly data to be transferred into accumulator, whatever specified in giving location. Now see description. This instruction copies the content of the memory location whose address is given within the instruction into the accumulator. See, this instruction copies the content of memory location whose address is given within the instruction. See here. Here in this instruction, see here, address here given. This address means location whose address is given within the instruction into the accumulator. Means whatever data stored in address, that data transferred to accumulator. The content of memory location remains unchanged. Contents of memory location remains unchanged after execution this instruction. Now see the example. Suppose consider this memory address D100. D100 is a memory address. In this memory address stored any data. Suppose here stored 25H data. H means hexadecimal. Now instruction LDA D100H. See, what is the format of this instruction? LDA address. See here, LDA address. Which address? See, here D100 is address, and in this D100 which data is stored? 25. Now after this executing the instruction, this instruction will copy the content of memory location D100, that is 25H, into the A register. Means whatever data stored in this 25, D100 means 25, this data stored in the accumulator. Then after execution, A contains 25H and D100 contains 25H. It remains unchanged. See here. After execution, memory location remains unchanged. But in accumulator store, in this accumulator store, which data? 25H. Understood, student? LDA means load accumulator direct. Whatever data stored in this address, that data transferred to accumulator. Okay. Now next instruction, STA address, opposite of LDA. See, opposite of LDA. LDA means load accumulator direct, means whatever data stored in address, that data transferred to accumulator. Here opposite of LDA means whatever data stored in accumulator, that data transferred to given address specified within the instruction. So here store accumulator direct. See the format, means here accumulator, whatever data stored in accumulator, that data transferred to address. That data transferred to address. Now tell me addressing mode. Direct addressing mode. Why? Because here address is given. See, here address is given. So addressing mode is direct addressing mode. Byte 3 byte, because here address is given. Because for address 2 bytes are required, and STA 1 byte is required for STA and 2 byte is required for address. So total 3 byte is required this instruction. Flags, no flags are affected, means here no any calculation like multiplication, division, addition like this. So here no flags are affected. Now see the description. These instructions store the contents of A register, A means accumulator register, into the memory location whose address is directly specified within the instruction. See, this instruction store the content of A register into the memory location whose address is directly specified within the instruction. The content of accumulator register remain unchanged. See, opposite of LDA. Now see the example. Suppose consider in accumulator store 25H. Now STA D100H. Now after executing this instruction, whatever data store this A means accumulator, this data transferred or stored in this specified memory location. Means After executing, what is the meaning of this instruction? This instruction will store the content. See, spelling mistake is there. Instead of I, write here CO. O. Contents of a register, that is, what is the data in a register? 25H. To memory location D100, means whatever data in a register, that data stored in the specified memory location means D100 stored. Now after executing this instruction, A contains 25H because the contents of A register remains unchanged after executing the instruction. So A contains 25H, but D100 stored 25H data. Understood, student? How to execute this instruction? Whatever data stored in accumulator, that data stored in memory location which is specified in this instruction. Understood? Now next instruction is LDAX RP. Now you know LDA. LDA means load accumulator, but instead of RP, in first instruction address is there, but instead of here LDAX RP. First, always remember X means register pair. X means register pair. Always remember. In any instruction, X is there. Always remember after that register pair is compulsory. Okay? Because here X, so X means register pair. In register pair, see here, instead of address, here register pair. So LDAX register pair means load accumulator direct. Now see the syntax or format. Means register pair means whatever data stored in register pair stored in accumulator. Same LDA. LDA address, whatever data stored in address stored to register accumulator. Whatever data stored in register pair stored in accumulator. See arrow of this sign or arrow indicates data stored in accumulator. Now addressing register indirect addressing mode. Why register indirect addressing mode? Register indirect because RP register pair. Whatever data stored in that register pair that indirectly stored into register. So register indirect. Now byte is 1 byte. Why 1 byte? Because LDAX RP, here no data, no address, only registers are contained. So 1 byte is required to store this instruction in memory location. So this instruction is 1 byte instruction. Flag, no flags affected. No any flags are affected after executing this instruction because no any calculation part in this instruction also. Already I told you this data transfer group, all instructions in this all instruction data transfer group, flags are not affected because only data are transferred one memory location to another, one register to another, register to memory. So no flags are affected in this group instruction. Now see description. This instruction copies the content of the memory location whose address is specified by the register pair. Whose address is specified by the register pair into the accumulator. So register pair may be BC or DE pair. RP means register pair. RP means register pair. It may be BC or DE. Now see the example. Consider DE pair. Okay. In DE pair stored the 2025, these are memory location, and these memory locations stored 66H data. This is a data. This is a memory location. D pair stored in which memory location? 2025. And in this memory location stored data 66H. Now LDAXD. See here. RP register pair here used. So here DE pair is used. Don't write E. Okay. Automatically it internally executing or it consider internally E pair. E register. So don't write here E. Only high order register pair. DE means in DE pair, D is high order register, E is low order register. In BC pair, B is high order, C is low order. So always remember, if register pair is right, at that time only high order register is written. So LDAXD means in DE pair stored data, whatever data will be stored in this DE pair, that data transferred into accumulator. Means this instruction will copy the content of memory location specified by DE pair 2025. This is a memory location of DE pair into the accumulator. Understood? Means after executing this LDAXD, accumulator contains 66H and DE pair as it is. Means 2025 location 66H. Already this data as it is. But after executing this instruction LDAXD, accumulator contains 66H. Understood, student? Now next is STAXRP. See here, X is there, so RP is there. X means register pair content. X indicates register pair. So STAXRP, opposite or same as STA address. How to execute STA address? Second instruction in this video. Whatever data stored in accumulator transferred to specified address. Means stored accumulator indirectly. Means whatever data stored in this accumulator stored in register pair. Now see the format. RP accumulator stored in the accumulator content stored into register pair. Now see, addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode. Indirectly stored in RP. Why indirect? Register indirect because first that register pair stored in memory location, that memory location then stored whatever data transfer stored in that memory location. So register indirect addressing mode. Byte is 1 byte instruction because here no data, no address. Flag, no flags are affected. Now see description. This instruction copies the contents of accumulator into the memory location whose address is stored in register pair RP. This instruction copies the content of accumulator. This instruction copies the content of accumulator into the memory location whose address stored in register pair RP. Register pair may be BC or D. Now see the example. That considered accumulator contains 56H and D pair stored 6002H memory location. 6002 is memory location and accumulator contains is 56H. Okay. Now instruction STAXD means which register pair here used? DE pair is used. Okay. So here this instruction will copy the content of memory location specified by DE register pair 2025. Instead of this 2025H, here write 6002H. This instruction will copy the content of memory location specified by DE pair DE register pair 2025H into the accumulator. This statement is totally wrong. Reverse statement here. See here. This is a wrong statement. See, how to execute this instruction staxd. Whatever data stored in accumulator, that data stored in this memory location. Means this instruction will copy the content of accumulator stored in register pair specified in instruction. Which register pair? D register pair. Means 6002 location. Okay. How to execute this instruction? staxd. This instruction will copy the content of accumulator stored or transferred to memory location specified by D register pair, means 6002H. Okay. Now after execution of this instruction, 6002H stored 50CX and accumulator contains 56H. Okay. After execution this, whatever content in which content stored in accumulator? 56H. This accumulator contains transferred into D register pair. So after execution, this accumulator stored in 6000 memory location, that is 50CH, 56H. Understood, student? These 4 instruction. Now see fast revision. LDA address, LDAX RP. See, LDA address means whatever stored in address, which contains stored in this address, that contains stored into accumulator. And LDX means RP to accumulator, address to accumulator. Okay. Now see example, X means register pair. Now LDA 6000H. LDA 6000H means, suppose let contain 6000H stored 45H, means accumulator stored 45H. Now in LDAXB, let BC stored in 7000H memory location, in memory location stored 45H. Okay. And after this LDAXB means accumulator contains 45H. BC store which memory location? 7000. In 7000 memory location 45H data, and these 45H data stored in 40 accumulator after this LDAXB. Now next instruction is STA address and STAX RP. Same here, opposite of LDM. In LDA, address to accumulator, here accumulator to address, here accumulator to register pair. Okay. Now see the example, STA 6000H and STAXB. See this above example. Which data stored in 6000H? 45H, and this 45H stored into accumulator. Now STA 6000H means, see, accumulator contains now 45H. So after this STA instruction, execution of this STA instruction, 6000H memory location stored 45H data. Now STAXB, after executing this STAXB, so let contains STA, let accumulator contains 45H, and after executing this STAXB means BC stored in which location? 7000, and it at 7000 location 45 data will be stored after this STAXB. Understood, student? LDA address, LDAX RP. STA address, STAX RP. LDA address means address to accumulator, LDAX RP means RP to accumulator, STA address means accumulator to address, STAX RP means accumulator to RP. Understood, student? Now end of this session 4. Thank you, student.